Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Okay, so all signs, messages, energy check-ins, and predictions. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, if you're interested na magpa-reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet and sa ating Evil Eye ring and sa atin rin pong Evil Eye necklace, just message me lang din po. Okay? Sa akin pong FB page ha. Dun sa ating Fias Tarot. Okay? So, yun ang ating FB page. Okay. So, let's start. Air signs. So, what's coming for you? Anong message ang kailangan mong marinig, air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong mga kailangan yung marinig? Messages. Okay. Okay. So, what's this? The Knight of Wands. The Nine of Wands in reverse. Lagi ko itong nakikita, itong dalawang to laging magkasama. Lagi. Meron ditong hindi katiwa-tiwala. Okay? Pwedeng may doubt ka pagdating sa kanya. Yes, the Emperor in reverse. Pwedeng Aries. Okay? Itong taong ito kasi parang hindi mo pwedeng pagkatiwalaan eh. Meron ditong, ito specific, meron ditong boss. Ang pwedeng fina-flirt ka. Okay? Flirt yon. Ang nakikita ko. Yeah. And ang mangyayari, pwedeng may offer. This is specific. Hindi to para sa lahat. Okay, may offer yung taong yun. Lalo na kung ikaw yung kailangan mag-save. Yes, ng pera. Naku po. May chance. Okay? Sila yung parang lalapit. A fire sign. Okay, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, yeah. In general, okay, the Knight of Wands, this is an energy of parang something you want to do, mga ganyan. Pero, the Nine of Wands in reverse, ito yung energy na parang nakakatamad. Bakit ganun? Nakakatamad. Kasi pwedeng hindi solid yung plano mo. Okay? Pwedeng kulang-kulang pa. So, I guess, kung may mga plano ka na gusto mong gawin, so siguro kailangan mong pag-focusan para matapos. Okay? So, what else for you? Be careful with this fire sign, ha? They like you. Yeah. The Three of Pentacles. So, meetings. Okay? Meron dyang planning. Yan. The Judgment in reverse. Nakakita ko rito ng mga third party. Lalo na pagdating sa workplace. May nakikita ko rito may matatanggal. May maaalis. Okay? So, specific yun, hindi para sa lahat. Nakakita ko rito ng may gagawa sa inyo ng plano para magkaroon ng, sabihin nating makaalis sa isang cycle or sa isang routine. May magpaplano or sabihin nating like brainstorming, parang ganyan. Okay? So, I guess kailangan mo kumuha ng opinion ng kung sino man, kasamahan mo sa trabaho, sa business mo, sa family members. Okay? Kung may kailangang aksyonan, mga ganyan. Yeah, I'm seeing here meetings. Okay? Ano pa? Death in reverse. Okay, and the Hierophant in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kang ka-connect ngayon, and hindi mo makitaan ng parang clear intention, pure intentions, emosyon niya, hindi pa rin to nagbabago eh. Okay? Pero pwedeng may babalik na fire sign, Scorpio, Earth. Parang landi lang din ang dahilan kung bakit siya babalik. Hindi to commit, hindi makapagrelasyon rin. dahil lang din sa gusto lang nila ng ganto. Ha, gusto lang nila ng ganyan. Yeah, the three of cups in reverse energy ito ng no reconciliation na mangyayari. Okay, pwedeng ilagay ka pa nito sa third party if ever. The three of pentacles is here. And the three of cups na naka-reversed. Pwedeng ilagay ka sa third party. Hindi mo alam na meron pala itong someone. Okay? So, yun ha. Next. Fire signs. Okay, so fire signs. Anong kailangan mong malaman today? Okay. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Ang hirap nitong kunin, itong card na to. The Six of Swords. Oh, okay. The Lovers Universe. So, meron ditong fire sign or meron ditong air. Yeah. Gemini. Nandito rin. Pwedeng may unti-unti nang nakaka-move on. Unti-unti nang nakakawala sa isang connection. Okay? So, some of you, pwedeng ikaw ito from an air sign. Okay? Makakalayo-layo na. Totally. Okay. Some of you, yung someone mo nasa malayo. Wala dyan sa tabi-tabi lang. You need to travel para ma-meet mo sila. Okay? Someone. Your special someone. Okay, what else? The Page of Wands in reverse. Energy ng delay. The Seven of Swords in reverse. So, I guess yung iba sa inyo having negative thoughts, okay? Para kasi ang daming like masyado yung kayo mismo parang gumagawa ng dahilan para hindi magawa yung isang bagay, para hindi maumpisahan, no? So, avoid ninyo yung negative thoughts, negative thinking, mga ganyan, obsessive, no, na pag-iisip. Okay? Yung mga what ifs nyo, mga ganyan. Kasi, syempre, wala naman kasing mangyayari, no? Yung iba kasi talaga sa inyo, kayo na mismo sumasabotahe, no? Sa mga gusto nyo mangyari sa buhay. Kayo na mismo ang gumagawa. Okay? So, see? The Six of Cups in reverse. This is trauma. Okay? This is, if this is talking about a relationship, you need to heal. Okay? Kasi nandito pa yung trauma. Nandyan pa. That's why hindi ka parang makausad, hindi ka pa masabing ready. Nandyan pa rin yung parang mga issues, mga ganyan. So, you need to heal kapag ganyan. Ha? Okay? So, syempre, para maka-move forward ka rin. Okay? Someone is pwedeng may gumawa dito ng paraan para makuha niya yung attention mo. Okay? Meron ditong younger person. A younger fire sign like you. Gagawa ng kahit para makuha niya yung attention mo, para masabi mo yung mga kahit sabihin natin hindi siya nagtatanong, ikaw mismo yung mag-open up. Parang ganyan. I don't know how. Okay? Next, the King of Wands. Some of you, this is talking about business. Managing, yeah. See? The Eight of ang tawag dito, Pentacles na naka-reverse. This is work. Okay? This is work. So, I'm seeing here someone na pwedeng mag-resign. Okay? Mag-retire. Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Someone is using their power or position. Parang ganyan. Meron ditong boss na talagang dinidelay kung ano dapat na mangyari sa'yo dyan sa workplace. Dinidelay nila talaga. Parang, yeah, kailangan kasi may mangyari eh. Pero nandyan yung, I don't know kung anong mga pinaggagawa nitong taong to para ma-delay ka. Okay? So, hindi kasi parang napaprioritize yung mga kailangan niyang gawin. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo ha. So, siguro may mga papeles o kung ano man dapat gawin, parang hindi pina-priority. Okay? Kasi naman yan or kung bakit, I don't know why. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong message for you? Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? While I'm shuffling, don't forget. Okay. So what's for you? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. The Queen of Cups in reverse. And the King of Pentacles in reverse. Oh no. Another person. A King of Swords. Okay, I'm seeing here a decision. Pero andyan yung mind over heart. Okay, mind over heart decisions. Ang hirap naman ito. Yeah, the Seven of Wands in reverse. Some of you, meron dito ako nakikitang kailangan nyo ring parang meron ako nakikita rito pagbabayad or meron ako dito nakikitang hindi ko masabi. Parang dito nauubos yung pera. Some of you, this is talking about talking about health. Okay? Someone's health. May ganyan. So, I don't know kung anong meron. Pwedeng expenses pagdating sa health. Okay? So, be careful. Okay? Be careful. Pagdating sa mga kinakain, avoid nyo, no? Just stay healthy. Mga water signs, no? Stay healthy. So, the Four of Swords in reverse. The Four of Pentacles in reverse. This is yung money is palabas. Yung pera. Okay? So, planuhin, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you need to plan. Pagdating sa kaperahan ninyo, hindi yung parang slide lang ng slide palabas. Dumudulas lang yung pera sa kamay. Parang ganyan. Yeah, you need to plan. The Queen of Swords. You need to study. Okay? Kung paano nyo hahawakan yung pera. Kasi parang hindi na bibigyang hustisya. Parang ganyan. Okay? Some of you, sinasabi ng cards na parang you need to watch your spending. Watch your spending, water signs. What else for you? The Ace of Wands. Okay. And the World. Oh, I'm seeing here travel. Long distance. Oo. Long distance. Yung mga ngawit ang iyong puwet. Sa sobrang haba, no? Ng lakbayin. Mga ganyan, ha? Okay? So, yeah. I'm seeing here, pwedeng may mga makikilala kayo. Okay? While traveling or sabihin natin pupunta kayo sa mga ibang lugar, may mga makikilala kayo doon. Okay? May mga, I don't know if this is someone na pwedeng makakarelasyon. I don't know. Sana hindi. Sana hindi. Yeah, I'm seeing here, promotion. Okay? Promotion. Parang changes pagdating sa appearance ng iba sa inyo, mga ganyan. Okay? So, I don't know. Maybe may paggastos rin pagdating sa physical. Okay, physical. May, I don't know if this is a major operation. Okay, para sa iba sa inyo. So, yun. To improve. Okay. So, there. Next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, ano bang meron for you? Message for Earth signs. So, ano bang meron? Earth signs. Okay. Don't forget, ha? Okay. Sayang naman kung hindi kayo, 'di ba? Magla-like, mag-share, 'di ba? So, the Five of Swords for you, Earth signs. So, what's with the Five of Swords? The Star. Someone is naguguluhan pagdating sa'yo. They like you. Meron lang silang mixed signals or mixed emotions. I don't know. Gusto ka ng mga to. Kung sino man to. Gusto ka niya. Kung sino man siya. Pwedeng air sign, pwedeng Aquarius. Okay, gusto ka niya. Masyado lang talagang mixed signals ang naipapakita. But yeah, they are open. Attracted ito kung sino man ito. Maguguluhan nga lang siya. Ang dami niyang iniisip. But yes, they like you. They want you. You're like a star for them. See, oh my God. Some of you, this is your past person. Yeah. Okay? Some of you, this is your past person. Wanting to fix something. Okay? Fix the issue. So, what else? Earth signs. The Eight of Wands. Communication. Travel for some of you. Action. What's with the Eight of Wands? The Knight of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong someone at gusto palagi kang kausap. A water sign. Fire sign. Pero hindi mo makikitaan sila na palaging pwedeng sila yung mag-initiate. Okay? Parang kasing may something dito na nag-end. They feel stuck. Stuck pa rin. Pero yes, they want you na palagi kang kausap, palagi kang nakikita. Okay? Pero wala silang gagawin. Nandyan yung distansya pagdating sa kanya. Andan yung pagdistansya niya sa'yo. Pero every time na magme-message ka, hindi pwedeng hindi siya magre-reply. I don't know why. I don't know. Tanong natin, bakit ganyan? The Nine of Wands in reverse, the High Priestess. Dahil pagod na silang magtanong sa sarili nila kung ano bang meron sa'yo. Ganun lang. Okay? They are not emotionally parang consistent din pagdating sa mga actions rin, sa mga emosyon, mga ganyan. Di sila, gusto lang nila communication with you. Actions, mga ganyan. So, what else for you, Earth signs? So, see? The King of Cups. Someone's in love. Someone's in love. Yes, but they're giving you mixed signals. They're giving you mixed signals. A water sign, Pisces. Okay? Kung sino man ito specific earth signs. Kung sino itong kausap nyo palagi, pero ang feeling nyo hindi nyo malaman kung bakit, they love you. Ha? Ito yung mga tao na palaging gusto ka makausap, kahit wala naman kayo, they love you. Okay? Lalo na kung sa tingin ninyo is wala naman kayong connection. Okay? Lalo na kung pass mo to. Mahal ka pa. Ha? Okay? So, sa mga hindi nakarinig, ulitin nyo. yung video. Okay? Anong meron sa King of Cups? Yeah. They can't be with you. Hindi nila kaya na maging kayo. I don't know why. I don't know. The Four of Wands, oh. They're not, sabihin natin they're not ready. Okay? Some of them, they're not stable. Okay, hindi pa sila stable. Kung sino man ito. See? The Ace of Cups. Alam ko, ayaw nyo to. Syempre, anong gagawin ko, ha? Ha? Wala akong makuhang kaperahan dito, Earth Signs. Itong sinasabi. Oh, paano ba natin gagawin kaperahan tong Cups? Ha? Paano ba natin gagawin kaperahan tong King of Cups? Someone is in love. In love with you. Ay. Gusto nyo maging business to. Gusto nyo maging karir to. Ha? Sige, yung boss nyo may gusto sa inyo. yung boss nyo in love sa inyo. O yan, ha? O, nakaka-relate din naman tayo. Nakaka-connect pa rin naman tayo sa business o sa workplace. Diba? Wala tayong makuha dito. I can't. Oo, wala eh. Oo, sorry. Maybe next time. O, diba? Oo naman. Ang dami-dami pa nating next time, no? Maybe tomorrow. O, diba? Yung lalabas nating video. So, yeah. Yun ang nakikita ko sa inyo. All signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.